videos. Because your voice did go in the movie video. What? Wait, can you use CapCut again? I want to hear your voice.
Do he dance? Oh,
Bro, I know how to do it easy.
yeah,
Do
you
not
just do.
accept ducky ball. Bro, his poop is squishy. That's what he said to me.
What?
He said his... Yeah, don't let him join, even if he's spam doing it.
Who?
Wait, so I'm gonna do /e dance too. Oh, I don't
Bro,
own
are
the
we not
emote. /e dance. Poopy. Okay, let's go. Let's get started. I'm gonna make a big giant wall. Guys, I know a really good build. I know a really good build.
You feel lucky, bro. I got nothing.
Nah, this is a better build. This is the best build ever. This.
Bro, put freaking jets at the back.
What?
Bro,
I don't got jets. I don't have jets.
Bro, you have to be on the white team to freaking do it.
I don't have jets.
Bro, I have jets on my main account. I have every single tool.
I'm a free-to-play player, and I never played this game before, basically. You did just cook. Did you have this saved? Can I drive, please? Next, can I drive, though?
Get us to the
Jets! Yo, start flying! Yo! Bro, how do you control the jets? What's the letter? And the letter is...
Is there a freaking toilet paper stage, bro?
A skibbity.
You can do donut.
Yo, the jets are so slow.
Yo, I know how to get neon blocks in the stage. You all want to get neon blocks?
We all have neon blocks.
I don't have neon blocks.
Don't get the neon block. doesn't matter.
Bro, why we got kicked up?
Is there a door? Oh.
I can't sit in a chair.
Oh my god.
We're
Take
at the
my
end.
seat. I'll sacrifice. Take my seat. Take my seat. Ah!
No, I got no seat left. I got no seat.
It glitched me out.
You know what?
Bro,
Bro,
we
hold on.
put on the shield for our
Mode.
plot.
Turn on isolation mode.
Say bye to Bed Wars, bitches. Say
Put
bye to Bed Wars,
put
bitches.
on,
I banned
put on
I
the
already
shield
banned
for
Chase.
our
You're
plot.
next. You're next, bitch. I better know that. I bet
Do
you
it
better know
for,
that.
for
Bye.
second player.
Say bye to your Bed Wars life. And Omar, I know you like Bed Wars, so I'm banning you first.
It's called isolation mode.
That was a bitch, bro.
Yo, he left the game. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, turn that crap on, bro.
Let's go. Wait, guys, can I spawn in my boat?
He said,
Wait, I gotta
Bro,
fly. I gotta
I'm
fly it now. Wait, spawn in your plane. I gotta fly now. I'm gonna fly. I'm gonna fly the plane. Bro, you said I could fly it. Yes, you did. You said. No, you said I could fly it, so I'm flying it. You said. Bro, you're a bad friend. You're a bad friend. Bro, you. No, I'm gonna just build my own thing. Put me in jail. Honestly, no. Honestly, I'm gonna just put on. Bro, spawn in a cool build. I want to see a cool build. We'll just spawn one in.
I have one on my main account.
No, don't. I wanna hear you on voice chat. Guys, did you know your jetpack has infinite fuel?
Guys, I have a crazy build. Do you want me to join on my main account and spawn
No,
the
don't
crazy?
join on your main account. Actually,
I can get on another device and join on my main account.
wait. I'm gonna do something really good to the flag.
I'm gonna do it. Alright, wait, real quick. I'm gonna go
I'm
get
gonna
something.
add something really good to the flag, guys. Trust, bro. Let me. I was cooking. I was literally cooking.
Alright,
I
alright.
was gonna make the United States of America also. Why?
Yo.
It's where I live.
Bro, let me on,
Oh my god.
bro. Bro, let me on, bro.
What do you mean? He's on the team. You got Alpha's literally on the team.
My main account, bro.
Oh, your main. Okay.
Yeah, guys, bro. Yo, spawn it in.
I'm skibbity. I'm skibbity. I'm skibbity.
Here you go. Here you go. You wanted it. Here it is.
Bro, that account sucks.
Bro, shut up. I have
Just kidding. Yo!
every freaking thing on here. Y'all don't have to launch because I have every single freaking thing on here, bro.
Guys, guess what?
It's my team, bro.
I'm gonna
Let
just
me play
launch
some
it on
more
my
seats.
own. Yeah, put on a seat. Launch it, bro. Wait, guys, hop on. Let's launch.
Bro, guys. Don't
Everybody
play
hop on. We're gonna take off in 5, 4,
Bro, I'm not gonna let you fly.
3, 2, 1.
Bro, I swear, bro. Reset. Bro, I don't like them. I'm respawning my build. It's only gonna be us. It's no more.
Wait, guys, we're gonna place a bunch of seats.
Launch, bro. Guys, launch, bro.
We gotta make sure we're connected.
I'm about to get fucking suffocated, bro.
What?
I'm about to get suffocated, bro.
You can't get
All right.
suffocated in this game. Go! Is it working? Oh, I think it's the wind. It's hot.
There's too many bombs on here. up ball. Oh,
So it's not gonna work. But it ain't gonna work. It ain't gonna work.
he sold. He sold. He sold. He sold. Bro! It's all freaking players' fault. Ah! No! I'm not doing anything! I can't. Get out! Let's go! Get it! W driver, bro! Bro, I didn't get anything from that!
Hey, bro, can you please? Wait, can you please